welcome back to my channel. It's Courtney here, and I am here today to do my Sephora Play plus Scentbird plus I want to give away mini haul, collective haul. This is just all the stuff I've gotten in the month of May, because May is almost over. It's going to be Memorial Day, and then it's going to be June. What? So, let's just get into it. Let's start with Scentbird, because it is the smallest little friend. So this month I got the Prada Candy Floral, and it's peony, limoncello, caramel, whatever, musk, and honey. This smells so good. And the bottle is really similar to the regular Prada candy. Oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. So if you guys know, I like Prada candy. It's one of my faves. So I also got this to test out if I also like this, and I do. And it's a casual like $90, so I probably won't buy it, but I really like it, and I'm glad I have it. So let's move on to Sephora Play. Where's my card? Let's talk about the card first. Hang on. So this month was like a then and now kind of situation. And they just talked about how the, beauty goals have changed, and how like we know things now that we did before, etc., etc. And then on the back, it's everything that I got. And I'm not going to lie, I peaked and am disappointed. So I'm just going to start the video with that. So the bag for this month is blue. It's like a jean, not like a denim material, but it's, I don't know. And then the drawstrings are like bungee cords. Like it looks like this would be like a camping bag, if that makes any sense to anyone else. But I don't keep these bags because I have no use for them, so this is going to get decluttered immediately. Let me like get myself into the center of the screen. Wouldn't that be nice? So the first thing that's in here, let's talk about the perfume, because that's actually what I'm most excited about. So this is from Atelier Cologne. I've had another one of these in the past, the Orange Sanguine, however you say that. This comes in its own little guy with the postcard and then the cologne. So the only complaint about this is that it's not a sprayer, it's like a, I don't know, normal one. So this is in French. Not helpful. Alright, let's just smell it. Get crazy. Ooh, this smells good. This smells good. It smells really fresh. I just spilled some of it all over my hand. So now I'm going to be fresh to death. But it smells really fresh and clean. And okay. It smells like, when you're like, it smells like florals, but it also smells like if you're picking tomatoes, it smells like the tomato leaves. Does anyone know what I'm talking about? Farm life over here, okay. Alright, moving on. So that's what I was most excited about. So keep that in mind. That was the most exciting thing in this box. So we got a mini of the Benefit Professional, which I will use to get rid of it. These samples are like the tiniest. Benefit isn't cruelty free, so I won't repurchase this once I use it. I've used these like this before, and it's fine. I mean, it is pore filling, but it's not anything magical. I also got the Buxom Lash Mascara. This is supposed to intensely volumize, separate, and define. It's actually a pretty big mascara versus like, if you compare to the Lancome one we got like a couple months ago. Well, alright, fine. Maybe the bottle's just bigger. Whatever. I am going to open this because I need a new mascara anyway, because that one's pretty much done. So this is a pretty big synthetic bristled brush, which I like these, so we will try that out and see what we feel. This is the Caviar CC Cream 10-in-1 Complete Correction Leave-In Hair Perfector. Another hair thing. Like, why? Just leave my hair alone. It doesn't need your help. What are you trying to say, Sephora? So you're supposed to apply it to your hair, your towel dried hair, so your wet hair. I don't know. I'm sure it'll be put in a project or just decluttered pretty soon because I have like a huge backstock of mini hair products from Sephora Play. I also have the Sephora Mask, let me find the English side, Mud Mask Purifying and Mattifying. This has zinc and copper in it. It's a pretty small amount, so I don't anticipate this is going to take long to finish. It smells like spicy dirt. Yep. That's really weird. It literally smells like dirty peppers. So, and then the last thing is the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil. This is the loose original mineral veil, and this looks so peachy. I don't know if you can even see it, but like in real life and compared to my skin, it looks so peach. So we're gonna try this on a day where I don't have to go to work, or I'm gonna wear glasses, because I'm just gonna probably test it under my eyes first, and then because it might work as like a color corrector. I don't know. I've never used this because Bare Minerals is not cruelty free. So if anyone has ever had experiences with this, let me know in the comments below and we can talk about it. Give me your advice. Give me your words of warning, etc. Okay, and now we can go on to all the stuff I bought. And I also did want a giveaway from Sarcy Beauty. She's part of the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group. They were doing like a collective collab giveaway situation, so I'll also talk about that. So I only have one clothing item this month, which is pretty normal. So I was at Meijer, and I swear to God, if you guys don't look at the clearance sections at Meijer and Walmart, you're missing out for sure. This is like the softest sweater ever. So this is a large because they didn't have any like smaller sizes, but I'm okay with that because it's like extra stretchy anyway. So it has like little bell sleeves with some lace detail, and it's this really pretty like blush pink color, and I can wear it like off one shoulder. It's actually an extra large, isn't it? Yes. So I can wear it like, if I cut this band, I can wear it off one shoulder and just be really cute. And it's super soft, and I'm probably gonna take it with us on vacation for like a beach cover up or like a boat cover up. So I'm hyped. It's gonna be great. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the other stuff I bought, and then I'll go into the giveaway stuff. I made an order from ColourPop, and I purchased these 3 shadows over here. And I also got some stuff for a giveaway, but these other 3 I already owned. I just transported them. My memory card is getting full, so that's super, super cool. But like I said, I purchased these 3 right here for just because I felt like it. So the first one I actually bought because of Nobody's Beauty Guru here on Instagram, YouTube, wherever we are. This is Glass Bowl, and it's just a really pretty like duochrome shift. And that was a terrible swatch. Hold on. Look at these. Look at it. Look at it. And a couple people were saying that this is a dupe for that shadow in the Huda Beauty Lilac palette that I really wanted. I also got Prowlin, which is like a really pretty purpley shifter, which I was like in love with as soon as I seen it. English is really good today. And then the last one I got is also a shifty one, and this is in Come and Get It. So it's like a pinky orange shift. This one kind of reminds me of NARS Orgasm, the way it shifts. So I got those, super hyped, quite excited. Okay, continuing. So I also wanted to try the No Filter Concealer from ColourPop. So I got the shade Fair 02 because the first one is like white. And I probably, because these oxidize is what I've heard. So it's pretty light. Like this is pretty much white compared to my face. So I'm going to like leave it on my hand and let it dry, because I want to see what happens. I also got a lippy pencil in the shade Reaper, which I really love their lippy pencils. It's just like a nice like mauvey brown. And I love their lippy pencils. They're so nice. So there's that. Now we can talk about the stuff I got in that for the giveaway. So I got, first of all, there was a super cute note. Thanks, Sarah. And I'm going to stick that with my other YouTube stuff. So the first thing I'm super hyped about is this OGX. This is the Fade Defying Plus Orchid Oil Color Protect Oil with UVA, UVB sun filters. This smells amazing. It smells so good. And like, no, I don't have colored hair. You're correct, but I'm still going to use the crap out of this because it smells so good. I also got, she sent the Cargo Around the World palette. I can't get it out. So this is from Cargo Cosmetics. I've never tried any of their eyeshadows or I think anything really from Cargo. Comes with a dual-ended brush and it's just a really pretty neutral palette, which I'm pretty hyped about. Let's swatch a couple. Actually, I'm not because then I'll be tempted to use it instead of my palettes I'm panning. So we'll just wait. You hang out in your box. Okay. I also got a deluxe size sample of the Dior Mascara Professional Volume in 090, which I'm assuming is black. And I'm not going to, this is the Dior Show Mascara, it says on the back. I'm not going to open this just because I have two mascaras open at the moment, so that's going to go in my backup drawer. From Dirty Little Secrets, this is the Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick in Rust, which I did open these already, so I've already played with them a little. This is a super pretty color. It's like the, it's like a nice brick red. The applicator, like for this lip product, is kind of annoying. Just, it makes it streaky and I don't dig that. This is the NYX Bright Idea Illuminating Stick in Rose Petal Pop. And I haven't opened this, but I did look at swatches online and I don't know if I'm going to actually open this and use it. I'm still debating, so I'm just going to stick it in my drawer sealed and decide later. Because if it's not going to work for my skin tone, I don't want to open it and then just end up throwing it away. What's the point? This is the Brow Gal Convertible Brow. So there's 3 shades in here, like a black, a really light brown, and like a taupe color. And I don't know if any of those 3 are going to work for me, but we will see. So that is that. I also got a brush from the Brow Gal, which I'm assuming came with that. It is the, there's a spoolie on one end and like an eyebrow eyeliner brush on the other end, which is pretty awesome. This is the Nukes. I think I'm saying that right. Let me find the English side. Nope. Multi-purpose dry oil, hair, body, and face. It smells really good. I sort of thought this was going to have a roller bow on it, and it doesn't. So that's interesting. Oh, you can see it in the camera, but it's just glitter. Let's just get crazy. Let's put it on my shoulder and see if I break out. It smells good. It smells like, I don't even know, but it does smell good. So there's that. We'll see. I'll keep you guys updated, probably on Snapchat or Instagram, so go follow me there if you want to, no pressure. And then she also sent a Laura Mercier, this is a caviar stick in rose gold, which I'm super excited about. I do have the Au Naturel one right now that I'm actually panning in my Mini Madness project pan, but I've seen a couple of my fellow YouTube friends pan one of these in rose gold, and it's always so pretty. So let's just, ooh, look at it. Okay, so, oh, that's so pretty. I bet I could even use, like, work that as a highlighter. Like, you know what I mean? I could get crazy. So I got a lot of stuff, a lot of new stuff to play with. I'm super, super excited. Thank you again to Sarah for hosting that giveaway, being a part of it, and for, I know I'm pretty sure she used like random.org or something to pick the winner, but still exciting. This hasn't like, this did dry down, this concealer, but it hasn't really changed color. So I guess I'm just gonna have to wear it to find out. But I think if this color were to get like a little bit darker, it'd still be okay under my eyes because it's such a different color than under my eyes. You feel? So that is everything that I got in month of May, and I did put some concealer under my eye in accident just then. Whoops. I love you guys so much. If you want to hang out with me anywhere else on social media, it's all down below. Sarah's channel will be linked down below, as well as the Geeks and Beauties Facebook group. And any of the other videos I mentioned in this video will be linked up above, in the cards, down below, the description. I love you guys so much. I hope you're having a good day, week, weekend whenever you're watching this, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye, everybody.